Amid hectic meetings in Lucknow over the setback to the BJP in the Lok Sabha elections, the UP BJP chief Bhupendra Chaudhary met the Prime Minister earlier today. The meeting took place amid hectic parleys ongoing in Uttar Pradesh in the run-up to 10 assembly seats that will go for a by-election very soon. Let me go across to Pragya for more on this. Pragya, there are parallel meetings. There are meetings taking place in Lucknow. There are also meetings now that we've got to hear taking place in the national capital as well. Tell us about the introspection that the BJP is undergoing right now over the Lok Sabha performance as well as the preparations for the by-polls.
Siddharth, as you rightly said, there are parallel meetings that are going on in Uttar Pradesh and even in national capital, and that speaks volumes about the kind of turbulence that we had seen in the BJP unit in state that has sent 80 MPs to the centre and the parliament, and majority of who will have upper hand in the centre is decided by that state, and this is why it has been considered very seriously by the top brass as well. But we had seen how Mr. Keshav Prasad Maurya, who is Deputy CM, who met JP Nadda, BJP President, yesterday. Also last night, Bhupendra Chaudhary, who is BJP Chief of UP, he also met Mr. JP Nadda, and there are many grievances, there are many issues that have been discussed in that meeting. But all said and done, the top brass has told them to put a lid on the differences and to ensure that they win these 10 by-polls that are going to come in Uttar Pradesh, and this is exactly why CM Adityanath has held meeting with the ministers. 16 ministers were made in charge for these 10 seats where these by-polls will take place. Simultaneously, Bhupendra Chaudhary also stayed back in national capital to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Obviously, there are turbulence in the state unit. There are many MPs and MLAs who are voicing their grievances, and a disconnect between the government and also the public representative is what has been spoken about, in fact, in various meetings as well. How much truth is there in these charges? There are counter charges as well from both the sides, but for now it seems that the centre wants them to fight collectively, because opposition SP is also taking benefit of it, and in fact Akhilesh Yadav had also commented on the situation and said that they should focus on the governance and administration. But on part of Yogi Adityanath also, there are major, I think that they have also taken stock of it, and there are many decisions that have been put on hold, like demolition drives, like digital signature made mandatory for the teachers. Okay. Those, in fact, decisions have been taken back by the government, because they are also trying to put their ear on the ground and listen to the people and their grievances as well. So corrective measures have been taken by the government as well in Uttar Pradesh. And there are many other changes that in the organization that these leaders are also, believe that they will take place. And Bhupendra Yadav has met Prime Minister Narendra Modi also amid the news of his possible replacement. So all of this is very, very important and crucial at this point of time, because they want to keep their house in order before at least these by-polls.
We'll wait and see as to what kind of decisions are finally taken while the BJP, of course, introspects over its performance and also prepares for the 10 seats that will go to the by-poll, 5 of which are held by the Samajwadi Party and 5 others by the BJP and its NDA allies.